Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss point is a rotational motion. What is meant by rotational motion? The motion of a rigid body which takes place in such a way that of all its particles move in circle about an axis with a common angular velocity. Also, the rotation of a particle about the fixed point in a space is called as the rotational motions. Next is the circular motion is the motion of objects on the circular trajectory. Speed of object speed and directions remains changeable. Then circular motion can be divided into uniform circular motions. Circular motion uniformly accelerates. Then another definition of the circular motions. The circular motion is an essentially part of our daily life. Every day we come across several revolving the objects undergo circular motion about some point outside the object or about some other objects. While during rotations, the motion is about an axis of a rotations passing through the objects. In figure is the circular motions. Next is uniform circular motions. Uniform circular motions, objects moving in a circle is said irregular if the object is moving with a constant angular velocity on a circular trajectory. The position's angle can be calculated by the equations theta is equal to omega. Angle is the theta is equal to omega t with t is equal to time in second. The angular positions versus time graph on the GMB. ग्राफ दिसतोय तो कशा वर्सेस अँग्युलर पोझिशन्स थीटा वर्सेस टू टाइम. Then uniform circular motion means the during circular motion if the speed of the particle remains constant it is called as uniform circular motions. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस सर्क्युलर मोशनमध्ये स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल हे रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट असतात त्यावेळेस आपण त्यांना युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन असं बोलतो. In this case, only on the direction of its velocity changes at every instant in such a way that the velocity is always tangential to the path. It's called as the uniform circular motion. Next is the centripetal force. Centripetal force, according to Newton's second law of motion, every object which has an acceleration will experience a net force in the direction of accelerations. Net force in the direction of accelerations. The next is the centripetal force. As shown in the above accelerations representing for circular motion is the centripetal or radial accelerations. The force providing this acceleration to the centripetal or radial force. Next, centripetal force. So for an object moving in a circle, there must be an inward force acting upon it in order to cause its inward accelerations, which is called as the centripetal force. The word centripetal means center, seeking. For object moving in a circular motion, there is a net force acting towards the center, which causes the object to seek the centers. Means the moving circular motion, there is a net force acting on towards the centers of the causing object to seek the centers. Next point is a moment of inertia. What is meant by moment of inertia? In physics, moment of inertia is a quantity expressing a body tendency to resist angular accelerations, which is the sum of products of the mass of each particle in the body. Means the sum of the product of the mass and the body with the square of its distance from its axis of a rotations. Moment of inertia's equations I is equal to m into r square. I denoted by the moment of inertia. The I is equal to m into r square. M is equal to sum of the product of the mass. R is the distance from the axis of a rotations. Next is mathematical defining I. Mathematical काय असतं moment of inertia? This an object can be thought to be composed of many particles of mass. Is a composite of the many particles of a mass. Hence, IA is equal to summation I is equal to 1 tends to number of particles n mi into ri square. That is the IA means moment of inertia about an axis A. Mi means mass of particle I. That is the Ri is equal to radius from particles I to the axis of rotations. Each particle provides some resistance to change in angular motion. The unit R mass is squared length. kg into meter square is the unit of the I. नेक्स्ट इज मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. आपण अनंतर काय सांगतो, अजून काय सांगू शकतो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. अनलाइक इन द केस ऑफ लिनियर मोमेंटम्स, इनर्शिया of a circular rotational motion depends both upon the mass of the object and distribution of a mass is spread across the objects. कशावरती डिपेंड्स आहे, mass of the object and the distribution of a mass. Moment of inertia of a single object, that is the I is equal to mr square. Moment of inertia is a scalar quantity. फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला दिसते एक्सिस ऑफ ए रोटेशन पाथ ऑफ ए ऑब्जेक्ट इज फिगर इज अ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज अ रेडियस. नेक्स्ट इज अ रेडियस ऑफ ए gyrations. Radius of gyrations, suppose a body of mass capital M has moment of inertia I about an axis. The radius of a gyration K of the body about the axis is defined as. काय सांगू शकतो आपण radius of gyration? Radius of gyration is denoted by K. That is the I. आपण moment of inertia काय सांगतो? I is equal to mk square. That is K is the distance of a point mass M from the axis of rotation such that this point mass has the same moment of inertia about an axis as the given body. त्या बॉडी मधील सेम ऑफ द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. Radius of gyrations, the distance from the axis of rotation to a point where all of the mass can be concentrated to yield the same resistance to angular motion. And averaging out of the radii of all the mass particles, this allows all the mass to be represented by a single radius. Is Ia is equal to mka square. The distribution of an object's mass has a much greater after on the moment of inertia than mass. काय असतं greater? The distribution of an object mass has a much greater than the moment of inertia than mass. Total kinetic energy. Total kinetic energy means rolling object rotates while its center of a mass undergoes translational motions. A object that both translational and rotational motion also has both translational and rotational kinetic energy. Both translational and rotational motions are also translational and rotational motion as a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy K is equal to 1/2 mv square in circular motions plus 1/2 I circular motion, inertia circular motion omega square. Hello, kinetic energy. फिगर इज अ टोटल कायनेटिक. ट्रान्झिशनल मध्ये एनर्जी कशी आहे, नंतर रोटेशनल मध्ये काय आहे आणि रोलिंग हे दाखवलेलं आहे या फिगर मध्ये. ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑन स्ट्रेट लाईन ड्रॉन थ्रू द ॲक्सिस मूव थ्रू द सेम अँगल इन द सेम टाइम. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय दिसतं आपल्याला, ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाईन drawn through the axis move through the same angle same time, and x-axis as a reference frame can indicate the angular position of a point P. Theta is usually in degree, radian is used for mathematical purpose. The angle theta in radians is defined as theta is equal to L upon R is dimensionless. That is L is the arc length, arc ची length, and R is the distance from the axis of rotation. The axis of rotation मधला distance जे आहे ते capital R. Every point on a rotating body has at any instant a linear velocity v and a linear accelerations. we can relate the linear quantities v and a to the angular quantities omega and alpha. लिनियर क्वांटिटी कोणत्या असतात दाखवतो आपण, वेलोसिटी आणि एक्सेलरेशन कशाने डिनोट करतो, v आणि a, आणि अँग्युलर क्वांटिटीमध्ये ओमेगा अँड a. लिनियर velocity and angular velocity are related by the v is equal to r omega. ह्याचं रिलेशन काय आहे लिनियर velocity आणि angular velocityचं, v is equal to r into omega. Here is the corresponds between linear and rotational quantities. Linear type rotational and relation of the in radians मध्ये बघा थिटा कसा आहे तर x is a linear, टाइप कोणता तर डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिनोटेड बाय द x आणि रोटेशनल मोशन मध्ये थिटा. हा x आणि थिटा तर रिलेशन काय झालं, x इज इक्वल टू r इंटू थिटा. नंतर ना लिनियरमध्ये v व्हेलॉसिटी v आणि रोटेशनल मोशनमध्ये ओमेगा, तर रिलेशन त्याचं काय झालं, v इज इक्वल टू r इंटू ओमेगा. देन एक्सेलरेशन्स ट्रान्झिशनलमध्ये तर कसं असेल रोटेशनलमध्ये अल्फा, इट ट्रान्झिशन इज इक्वल टू r अल्फा रिलेशन. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युला आहेत ते. हे झालं टॉर्क. आता ते टॉर्क इज डिफाइंड ॲज, आपण शिकलो होतो बघा, टॉर्क मीन्स द टॉर्क इज डिनोटेड बाय टाव. हे दिसते तुम्हाला ते आहे ते टॉर्क. टाव इज इक्वल टू आर परपेंडिक्युलर एफ. ऑल्सो टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू आर एफ, दॅट इज द टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू आर एफ साइन थिटा. अँगल काय तर तो साइन थिटा. युनिट आहे काय, मीटर पर न्यूटन इज अ टॉर्क. रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी, द कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ रोटेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन बाय k is equal to summation 1/2 mv square in bracket. By substituting the rotational quantities, we find that rotational kinetic energy can be written as rotational kinetic energy k is equal to 1/2 I omega square is rotational kinetic energy. The distribution of a mass matters. Here these two objects have the same mass, but the one on the left has a greater rotational inertia, as so much of its mass is far from the axis of a rotation. That is, the two objects have the same mass, दोन objects the same mass, but the one of the left has a greater rotational inertia, as so much of its mass is far from the axis of a rotation. तुम्हाला एमसीक्यूला आपण विचारू शकता हे क्वेश्चन बघा. आता कन्वर्जन बिटवीन द डिग्री अँड रेडियन्स. आपण डिग्री आणि रेडियन्समध्ये कन्वर्जन कसं करतो तर व्हेन अन ऑब्जेक्ट मेक्स थ्रू ए कंप्लीट सर्कल, अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द एंटायर सर्कल इज अ 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय रेडियन्स. काय असतं अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द एंटायर सर्कल इज अ 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय रेडियन्स. That is 1 degree is equal to 2 pi divided by 180. Then 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by 2 pi degree. That is the theta is a theta काय सांगतो आपण, arc length divided by radius, that is the radians. आणि म्हणजेच काय तर theta is equal to s upon r radius. हे आपण कन्वर्जन करू शकतो. Conservation of a angular momentum. काय conservation of angular momentum? In the absence of an external torque, angular momentum is conserved. That is the dl upon dt is equal to 0. The derivative of the l divided by the derivative of the t, that is the 0. And l is equal to आपण काय सांगू शकतो, I omega, that is the constant. ते काय आहे तर constant. This is the law of conservation of a angular momentum. हे झालं आपला conservation of a angular momentum. The total angular momentum of a rotating object remains constant if net external torque acting on it is 0. Is called as the conservation of a angular momentum. काय असतं conservation of angular momentum? Total angular momentum of a rotating object remains constant if the net external torque acting on it external torque काय असतो तर तो 0 असतो. The rotational analog of a linear momentum is angular momentum is a capital L. Angular momentum काय असतो तर capital L. काय असतो L is equal to I omega, that is the angular momentum is the unit kilogram meter per second. Then the rotational analog of Newton's second law is a summation tau is equal to dl upon dt. This form of Newton's second law is valid even if I is not constant. Direction बघायचं angular momentum ची. Direction nature of angular momentum. Angular momentum is a vector. The direction is in same direction as the angular velocity vector. काय आहे तर त्याची डायरेक्शन मोमेंटम? The angular momentum is a vector. The direction is in the same direction as the angular velocity vector. Next is the person start to walk clockwise. The angular momentum point upward. हे फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला दिसते ते बघा. The platform start to move clockwise direction of angular momentum is a downward. काय होतं ज्यावेळेस प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती स्टार्ट मुव्हिंग आपण केलं क्लॉकवाईज तर त्याची डायरेक्शन ऑफ अँग्युलर मोमेंटम इज अ डाउनवर्ड. This happened to balance out of the upward angular momentum, so the total angular momentum remains L is equal to 0. So L is equal to 0. Next point, angular velocity. Angular velocity. The angular velocity also called the rotational velocity. Upon angular velocity is also called as the rotational velocity. Is a quantitative expression of the amount of rotation that is spinning object undergoes per unit time. That is the omega is equal to 2 pi f. अजून काय सांगू शकतो आपण? angular velocity is denoted by omega. The angles that have been taken within a certain time interval, that is it, omega is equal to 2 pi by t. The omega is angular velocity and t is a period. The object change their shape, alter their momentum, moment of inertia I, angular velocity omega change as well as I omega remains constant. The skater starts spinning at low angular velocity with arm outstretched. हे फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला पाहता येते. I bring her arm close to her body, decreasing her moment of inertia. For I omega to remain constant, omega is increases. She will spin more faster. काय होतं तर spin more faster means the I omega to remains constant and omega increases. आपल्याला वेक्टर अँग्युलर वेलोसिटी फिगर मध्ये दिसते. राईट हँड रूल आपण पाहिला होता. इथं काय सांगू शकतो आपण? राईट हँड रूल, डायरेक्शन ऑफ ओमेगा is always along the axis of rotation and is given by the right hand thumb rule. To know the direction of omega, curl the fingers of the right hand along the sense of the rotation with the thumb outstretched. The outstretched thumb then gives the direction of omega. Is the right hand rule. Next point is theorem of a parallel axis. The parallel axis, let ICM, CM means circular motion, be the moment of inertia of a body of mass m about 10 axis passing through the center of mass, and let I be the moment of inertia about a parallel axis at a distance d from the first axis. Then I is equal to ICM plus md square. Theorem काय सांगतो? पॅरलल ॲक्सिसचा theorem काय? The minimum moment of inertia for any object is at the center of mass as x in the above expression is a 0. In order to apply this theorem to any object, we need to axis parallel to each other with one of them passing through the center of mass of this object is called as theorem of a parallel axis. The parallel axis theorem relate the moment of inertia ICM about an axis passing through the center of mass of total mass m and the moment of inertia I at any axis of its object with the axis parallel to then ICM means circular moment of inertia. The parallel axis theorem gives the moment of inertia I about an axis, any axis that is parallel to the axis that goes through the center of mass of an object. I is equal to ICM plus mh square. Example of parallel axis: determine the moment of inertia of a solid cylinder of radius r0 and mass m about an axis tangent to its edge and parallel to its symmetry axis. That is, the I is equal to 1/2 m r0 square. Next, perpendicular axis. Theorem of a perpendicular axis. The moment of inertia of a body about an axis perpendicular to its plane is equal to the sum of moments of inertia about two mutually perpendicular axes in its own plane and crossing through the point through which the perpendicular axis passes. That is, the Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. Perpendicular axis is this theorem relates the moment of inertia of a lamina objects about three mutually perpendicular and concurrent axes to or them in the plane of object and the third perpendicular to the objects. Example of a ring, a disc, any plane sheet is a theorem perpendicular axis. That is, the Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. Work. The work done on an object rotating about a fixed axis can be written in terms of angular quantities. The torque does work as it moves the wheel through an angle theta. That is, the W is equal to tau angle theta. Work energy चे principle काय? The work energy principle holds for rotation of a rigid objects about a fixed axis. We find that the work done is the W is equal to 1/2 I omega 2 square minus 1/2 I omega 1 square is a work energy, and power P is equal to dW by dt is equal to tau d theta by dt is equal to tau omega is a power. Example is a perpendicular example काय सांगू शकतो आपण? Flywheel which are simply large rotating disc have been suggested as a means of storing energy for solar powered generating system. Estimate the kinetic energy can be stored in an 1000 kilogram flywheel with a diameter of 10 meter. Assume it could hold together at 100 rpms. Example of the flywheel is a perpendicular axis. Torque means the rate of change of angular momentum of an object in rotational motion is proportional to the external unbalanced torque. The direction of the torque also lies in the direction of the angular momentum. It is called as a torque. Torque is called the moment of force and is a measure of the turning effect of the force about a given axis. The torque is needed to rotate an object at rest. To change the rotational mode of an object is a torque. आपण अगोदर पण राईट हँड रूल पाहिला होता. काय म्हणजे टेक युअर राईट हँड and curl your fingers along the direction of a rotation. Your thumb directs along this specific vector. You need angular acceleration, angular momentum, angular velocity, etc. This right hand rule is used whenever in rotational motion to measure the direction of a particular vectors. हे एक्झाम्पल आहे काय स्पेअर रोलिंग डाऊन अँड इन्क्लाइन ज्यावेळेस what will be the speed of a solid sphere of mass m and radius r0 when it reaches the bottom of an incline if it starts from the reset at a vertical height h and rolls up without slipping. This means the value of angular momentum is conserved. I omega is equal to I0 omega 0, that is the constant, where I0 is the moment of inertia at a t0. केव्हा असतो I0 तर t0 is equal to 0 असेल तर I0 and omega is equal to omega 0 is the angular velocity at t is equal to 0. Therefore, an object's moment of inertia changes, its angular speed changes as well. Relation between the torque and angular momentum. Relation काय torque and angular momentum चं tau vector is equal to del vector divided by dt. That is, the tau vector is the net torque and L is the angular momentum. This result is the rotational analog of Newton's second law. That is the F force. F vector is equal to dp by dt. The period and frequency of an object in rotation motion. What is meant by period? Capital T is the time taken by an object in rotational motion to complete one complete circle. That is the period. And frequency means is the number of cycles of an object rotates around the axis of a rotation. That is the F is equal to 1 upon T. रोटेशन मोशन मध्ये काय सांगू शकतो आपण ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू थीटा बाय t. Therefore, the omega is equal to 2 pi by t and the omega is equal to 2 pi. t काय सांगतो आपण 1 upon f. That is the omega is equal to 2 pi f. Angular displacement unit. The angular displacement can be measured in degree, but this SI unit of angular displacement is a radians. SI unit का angular displacement is a radians. 1 radian is defined as the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc which is equal to length of the arc divided by radius of a circle is the angular displacement. हे झालं rolling body. काय rolling is a combination of a rotational and translational motions. Suppose a sphere is rolling on a plane surface. The velocity distributions can be expressed as a rolling body. Centripetal accelerations. Centripetal accelerations is the acceleration of a direction toward the center of a circle. And accelerations occurs because the linear speed of the object that keeps it changing. The centripetal accelerations is mathematically written is AS is equal to v square upon r. The AS is the centripetal accelerations. V is a velocity and r is the radius of a circle. The definition of a linear velocity: V, the distance traveled divided by the object latency. V is equal to 2 pi r upon t. Example: Buckrey spore bike on a circular trajectory within 1 hour. In that time, Buckrey has done 120 laps. Determine the period, frequency, case path, linear and angular velocity Buckrey if the track has a diameter of 800 meters. एक्झाम्पल आहे ते आपण सॉल्व केले ते. टी आपला टाइम काय सांगितलं, फ्रिक्वेन्सी सांगितलं, ओमेगा सांगितलं आणि वेलोसिटी सांगितलं. अननोन क्वांटिटी सगळ्या आहेत. डी इज इक्वल टू 800 मीटर, नंतर टी इज इक्वल टू 1 जाम म्हणजे 600 सेकंद, एन इज 120 लॅप, दॅट इज टी इज इक्वल टू टी बाय एन केलं तर काय येणार 30 सेकंद, आणि व्ही इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय आर एफ. आपल्याला जर फॉर्म्युले सगळे माहिती आहेत. एफ इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन टी आणि ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय एफ. then answer is 0.0167 radian per second. Next example, Bambang reading a motorcycle through a bend circle 20 meter. Finger when going to school. If Bambang motor speed 10 meter per second, determine the acceleration Bambang trajectory leading to the center. That is the r is equal to 20 meter. V is equal to 10 by 10 to meter per second. The answer is 5 meter per second. आपण बघितलं तर angular acceleration of an object is the circular motion is the rate of change of angular velocity. That is the alpha is equal to omega minus omega 0 divided by t. That is the angular acceleration unit is a radians per 2 direction by the right hand rule. angular acceleration मध्ये आपण right hand rule यूज करतो. The angular equations of a moment. The equation आपल्याला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे ते angular equation चे ओमेगा थीटा that is the omega square is equal to omega 0 square plus 2 alpha theta. Most important of the equations. Next is therefore the four equation of angular momentum are omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t. Next is the theta is equal to in bracket omega plus omega 0 divide into t divided by 2. Then theta is equal to omega 0 t plus 1 half alpha t square. Fourth is equation is omega square is equal to omega 0 square plus 2 alpha theta. हे झाले इक्वेशन ऑफ द अँग्युलर मोमेंटम अँड इक्वेशन ऑफ ए रोटेशनल लिनियर इक्वेशन मध्ये खालचे इक्वेशन आहेत. v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए टी, एस इज इक्वल टू इन ब्रॅकेट v प्लस यू टी बाय 2, एस इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस 1 हाफ ए टी स्क्वेअर. Relationship between physical quantities measured in angular motion and that in linear motion. Linear displacement, angular displacement काय त्याचं रिलेशन. s is equal to in bracket 2 pi r by 2 divided by 2 pi into theta, that is the r theta, means s is equal to r theta. हे पण आपल्याला मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इक्वेशन आहे ते. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ सम कॉमन शेप रिंग मध्ये परपेंडिक्युलर ॲक्सिस टू दिस प्लेन ॲट द सेंटर. नंतर काय असतो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया त्यावेळेचा आय इज इक्वल टू एम आर स्क्वेअर अँड के इज आर. डिस्कमध्ये काय असतो परपेंडिक्युलर आउट टू द प्लेन ॲट द सेंटर 1 हाफ एम आर स्क्वेअर आणि के इज आर डिवाइडेड बाय √2. हे कॉमन आहे सॉलिड आणि सॉलिड सिलेंडरमध्ये. ॲक्सिस सिलेंडर 1 हाफ एम आर स्क्वेअर 1 हाफ एम आर स्क्वेअर आर डिवाइडेड बाय √2. आणि सॉलिड स्पेअरमध्ये काय असतो तर डायमीटर ॲक्सिसमध्ये काय असतो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया 2/5 एम आर स्क्वेअर अँड के इज इक्वल टू आर √2/5. अँग्युलर मोमेंटम आपण बघितलेले ते. रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी पण आपण बघितलं ते काय होती रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी के इज इक्वल टू 1 हाफ आय ओमेगा स्क्वेअर. पॉवर पण आपण बघितलं होतं. दिस रेट ऑफ विच वर्क इज डन बाय ए टॉर्क इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ पॉवर. हे आपल्याला शॉर्टमध्ये दिलेलं आहे. वर्क एनर्जी प्रिन्सिपल बघितलं होतं आपण. इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ ए रिजिड बॉडी. ट्रान्झिशनल इक्विलिब्रियम काय असतं फॉर ए बॉडी टू बी इन ट्रान्झिशनल इक्विलिब्रियम द व्हेक्टर सम ऑफ ऑल द एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऑन द बॉडी मस्ट बी 0. कशा असते 0. ट्रान्झिशनल इक्विलिब्रियम दॅट इज द एफ एक्सटर्नल इज इक्वल टू एम एक्सेलरेशन्स ए. रोटेशनल इक्विलिब्रियम काय असतो तर फॉर ए बॉडी टू बी रोटेशनल इक्विलिब्रियम द व्हेलॉसिटी सम ऑफ द all external torque on the body about any axis must be zero. That is, the torque external is equal to I alpha. Summarizing it up, काय सगळे असं ह्याची काय सांग, angular positions, angular displacement, angular velocity, angular accelerations and equations of motions, हे सगळे जमले आपण ह्या छोट्या पॉइंट मध्ये बघूया. Angular positions. The angular position of a particle is the angle phi made between the connecting of a particle to the original and the positive direction of the x-axis measured in a counterclockwise direction is called as the angular position. And angular displacement, the radian value of the angle displaced by an object on the center of the path in circular motion from the initial positions to the final positions is called as the angular displacement. Next is angular velocity. That is, angular velocity is an object in circular motion is the rate of change of angular displacement, and angular acceleration is the object circular motion is the rate of change of angular velocity. Angular equation of a motion: omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t, theta is equal to in bracket omega plus omega 0 into t divided by 2, in theta is equal to omega 0 t plus 1/2 at square, omega square is equal to omega 0 square plus 2 alpha theta. इन शॉर्ट मध्ये सगळ्या हा डेफिनेशन दिले आहेत. राईट हँड रूल काय आहे, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिनियर अँड अँग्युलर क्वांटिटीज, पिरियड अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया, रेडियस ऑफ व्हायरेशन्स, अँग्युलर मोमेंट, हे पॉईंट बघितले ते काय आहेत आपल्याला शॉर्टमध्ये इथं दिलेले आहेत. हे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. ओके, रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी, थेरम ऑफ परपेंडिक्युलर ॲक्सिस आपण बघितला, थेरम ऑफ पॅरलल ॲक्सिस बघितला, वर्क डन बघितलं, लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन ऑफ अँग्युलर मोमेंटम बघितला. लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन अँग्युलर मोमेंटम काय सांगतो आपण, इफ द रिझल्टंट एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क ऑन ए सिस्टीम इज 0, इट्स टोटल अँग्युलर मोमेंटम रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट. नंतर वर्क एनर्जी प्रिन्सिपल बघितलं, रोलिंग बॉडी, सगळे पॉईंट बघितले ते समजा आपण हे त्या पॉईंटमध्ये डिस्कस केलेले आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज MCQ. First MCQ: a solid sphere, a hollow sphere, and a disk, all having same mass and radius, are placed at the top of the smooth incline. The released latest time will be taken in reaching the bottom by. The answer will be the all will take same time. Answer is a D. All will take same time. The dimensions of moment of inertia are, answer is a D, that is the m1 l2 t0 is the dimension of a momentum inertia. Third one is the which of the following has the smallest moment of inertia about the central axis if all have equal masses and radii. कशामध्ये तर answer is a sphere. Next is analog of mass in rotational motion is a, काय असतो mass in rotational motion analog काय होतो, moment of inertia. Answer is a moment of inertia. Next is a drum of radius r and mass m rolls down without slipping along inclined plane of angle q, 0 fractional force. The answer is A. The converts parts of potential energy to rotational energy. Next is if the moment of inertia of a rod of a mass m and a length l about an axis passing through its center of mass and perpendicular to its length is a ml²/12, then the moment of inertia of the same rod about an axis passing through one of its ends and parallel to the given axis will be. काय असेल त्यावेळेस मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया? The answer will be (30 divided by 12 in bracket complete ml². Next A particle performing uniform circular motion has angular momentum L if its angular frequency is doubled and its kinetic energy held, then the new angular momentum is answer is B, that is the L upon 4. Next, a thin uniform circular ring is rolling down an inclined plane or inclination 300 without slipping. Its linear acceleration along the inclined plane will be काय असेल सर्क्युलर मोशन युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये रिंग काय होईल आन्सर इज ए दॅट इज दी जे अपॉन 2. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया डिपेंड्स ऑन मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कशावरती डिपेंड आहे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ए पार्टिकल्स मास पोजिशन ऑफ ए ॲक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन्स फॉर दिस ऑल ऑफ दिस मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया डिपेंड्स ऑन दी आन्सर इज अ डी ऑल ऑफ दिस. Next, if a body is rotating about an axis passing through its center of mass, then its angular momentum is directed along its the answer is a D, that is the axis of a rotations. Next, the moment of inertia of uniform circular disc about a diameter is I. Its moment of inertia about an axis perpendicular to its plane passing through a point on its rim will be 6I. Answer will be 6I. Next, a solid sphere is rotating in a free space if the radius of the sphere is increased, keeping mass same. Which one of the following will not be affected? The answer will be B, that is the angular momentum. Next, a body of moment of inertia 3 kg meter square rotating with a angular velocity 2 radians per second has the same k e as a mass of 12 kg moving with a velocity of. The answer will be 1 meter per second. Next, the moment of inertia of a uniform semicircular disk of mass m and radius about a line perpendicular to the plane of the disk through the center is. The answer is the C, that is in bracket 1/2 pm r square. Next question. A particle moves on a circular path with decreasing speed. Choose the correct statement. The correct statement will answer is a D. The direction of a angular momentum remains constant. Thank you.